USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and here subscribe, like and share. And below the video you have some links. It says swing like a pro, so click on the first link, come to this page right here, go and check out these setups and join this program. If you are interested in swing trading, go and join the program. First link below, make something here. Go and check out these links if you want, and then you can book consultation with me. If you want to speak with me one-to-one, go and join the brokers and book consultation with me. If you want to speak with me, and join absolutely free Telegram right here. So get into my Telegram absolutely for free. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, where are we? Okay, weekly, I think we are going up, taking a pullback though. So we might be going up, but for now, taking a pullback. So daily is what? Daily we just slightly closed below. Okay, and so this is your up move, which is exhausted, coming back to 4-hour, going down. So USD-CAD, by the way, you can trade Euro USD, GBP USD. There's no need to trade USD-CAD. However, I think it's going to go down. Okay, so USD-CAD probably will go down. Look for entries in 4-hour after the pullbacks. And temporarily it is supposed to go down, but I will trade other pairs. I will leave USD CAD and I will leave USD JPY. I can trade Euro USD, GBP USD and stuff like that. Okay, anyways, so what we got, if you want precise entry, exit and TP, then make sure you join Swing Like a Pro, join this program, then you can enter with me, exit with me in the trades. Otherwise, keep watching the videos. Till then, take care, have a good day.